Gators!
And good morning.
Absolutely.
All right.
We are super excited to be coming to you on this Veterans Day holiday.
Absolutely wonderful day today, Veterans Day. And, we're trying to, as we've been in the hallways, we've heard some questions about what is Veterans Day and what does that mean? And so today, through our assembly, our hope is that we can teach you a little bit about what Veterans Day is and what is a veteran. And at the end, we can then collectively then celebrate this day together as well. So I think we have a few things we're going to try to get done today with everybody. You ready for this, Mr. Chandler?
I am ready. I had some kindergartners pop up and, ask that very question just a little bit ago. What's Veterans Day? And, and I saw some of our kindergarten teachers even talking about it. So
Yeah.
that was really cool to see. And so we wanted to kind of pile on. What a great thing to do.
Absolutely. So to start off with, we have a little video that we'd like to share with you that it talks a little bit about Veterans Day, and then we will be back right afterwards.
Veterans Day facts for kids and anyone else who would love to celebrate this incredible holiday. Veterans Day is an amazing holiday, and there's a special thing that you can do, and we're going to tell you about at the end of this video, but we're really glad you're here because Veterans Day, as we said, is an amazing holiday. So, what is a veteran? If we know what a veteran is, then we can know what this holiday is all about. Do you know what a veteran is? Well, a veteran is anyone who has served in the military. So anyone who has served in the military is a veteran. The military, also known as the armed forces, has 5 branches or parts. There are 5 branches of the military. Do you know what they are? You're about to find out, and everyone's going to be like, oh my goodness, he knows or she knows all of the branches of the military. That is so cool. Okay, so here are the 5 branches of the military. The Marine Corps, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, and the Coast Guard. Remember, anyone who has served any of the branches of the military is a veteran. So if you're speaking with a veteran, someone who has served in the armed forces, you can ask them, which branch did you serve in? They would probably love to share that with you, and you can learn some new things about that branch of the military. Together, all 5 branches of the military defend our freedom. How amazing is that? The military defends our freedom on land, in the sea, in the air, and even in cyberspace. While you're eating, while you're sleeping, while you're watching homeschool pop videos, the 5 branches of the military are defending your freedom all around the world. And what's amazing is Veterans Day is a holiday that honors all of those who have served in the military, past and present. Now, something interesting about Veterans Day. Veterans Day is always on November 11th, and there's a very good reason for that. But no matter what day of the week it is, Veterans Day is always on November 11th. November 11th is an important day because on November 11th, 1918, an armistice was signed that ended World War I. Here is a newspaper from that day, and it says, peace. You see, an armistice is an agreement between two opposing sides to end a war, and everyone was so glad that World War I was finally over. The holiday began on November 11th, 1919 as Armistice Day. That was the 1-year anniversary of that amazing armistice. Remember, an armistice is an agreement to end a war. It was called Armistice Day until 1954. In 1954, President Dwight Eisenhower renamed the holiday Veterans Day. He wanted the holiday to celebrate all of the veterans from all of the wars and celebrate those who are serving today, veterans past and present. Now, if you remember, at the beginning of the video, we said that there would be something special you could do for Veterans Day. Ask a parent or guardian if there are any veterans you know that you can thank. That is the best way to celebrate Veterans Day, is to honor those who have served in the military. Remember, those who have served in the military defend your freedom. And on Veterans Day, we have a special opportunity to say thank you. Thanks for watching this Homeschool Pop video on Veterans Day. We hope you enjoyed it, learned some new things, and we hope you take this opportunity to thank those who have served in the military, because that's what this holiday is all about.
Oh boy, that is so cool. Like the ability to focus our attention and remember people who have come before us, and you know, for our kids to be able to reach out and to recognize, you know, if they do have members of their family who have served or are serving, you know, talk to them, you know, thank them.
Absolutely.
You know, get to know their experiences, because we don't all get to live that life. And you know, it's just a good opportunity to just take a minute and to recognize what those people have done for us, the ability for us to even do what we're doing now, you know, in this cool little video, you know, we can give them thanks for their service. So
yeah, it's such a good thing to be able to express gratitude, and hopefully what you learned from that is that there are different types of veterans, but all of them have one thing in common, that they have served in the military forces. What I took, an interesting thing I took from that video is not only the history of it. In 1954, it changed its name. I think that's really neat. But also beyond that is the ability to thank both past and present veterans, those who are currently serving as well. Now, in Sherman Elementary, we have a few people that are veterans, and we want to take a little bit of time to, one, thank them, and also, two, to hear from them about what Veterans Day means to them. So today we have the opportunity from hearing from Mr. David. He is with us, and we're going to go live to him right now. There he is. And first and foremost, Mr. David, thank you. Today being Veterans Day, we want to say thank you so much for all your service. And actually, we're excited to hear a little bit from you. So, Mr. David, the question is, what does Veterans Day mean to you?
Hi, this is David from Sherman Elementary Special Education. I was in the Army, and Veterans Day means the whole country kind of comes together and can agree on this one thing, and I'm very grateful to be a part of that. So that's what it means to me, and I very much appreciate everybody who says something to me today. I never know what to say, but I do appreciate it. So thank you.
All righty. Thank you, Mr. David, for your time. We appreciate your service, sir. And the ability to kind of give us a little peek into what that meant to you.
Appreciate it greatly. We also have a couple more that have served on campus, and want to recognize as well in our kitchen, Miss Hope is also a veteran as well. So as you go through the kitchen today, you can say thank you to Miss Hope. We're grateful for her as well. She's busy right now making all those wonderful lunches for y'all. So thank you both. And again, I think the last piece of advice we have is, as you go home, boys and girls, to talk to your parents or guardians and see if there's somebody that around you that might be, or they know of, that is a veteran that you could reach out to and say thank you as well. So I think that'd be a great thing to do as a Gator.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah. Get to know the people in your community and get
Yeah.
to know their experiences and
Absolutely.
thank them.
All right, Gators. So thank you for spending a little bit of time with us. We now know what Veterans Day is if we didn't before. And now we have a little bit of assignment as well to go out and show some appreciation as Gators would.
Absolutely.
As we end, we have one more thing to do, Mr. Channer.
Mr. Toffer,
Great to be a Gator.